Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today we're making some chili. The recipe will be down in the description box below, but we have cheese, black beans, chicken broth, salsa, cumin, and canned chicken. First thing I do is throw all the ingredients into a big pot. Now the recipe called for white beans, but I didn't have any white beans, so I substituted the black beans. You can pretty much substitute whatever beans you want or have on hand. And I stir it up, turn on the heat, put a lid on it. Oh, and you know what? I added some corn. That was really good. And then we had some tomatoes, so I had a couple of those too. Yum, yum. As you can hear by all the noise in the background, we have quite the crew with us today. This is a great recipe when you have times like that. And if you're into food storage, this is also a great recipe to have on hand. Then since I had added the corn and the tomatoes, I decided to throw some more cheese in there. Why not? Once everything is heated through and the cheese is melted, you just stick it in a bowl, put some sour cream on top, crumble up a few chips, and enjoy. Everybody loved it. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.